So today I'm recording the second studio vlog on different days, of course. So I really appreciate to record the first one, so it's for that I want to do another one. I hope you like it too. I hope you like this kind of content, because me it's a pleasure to share that and to show more my life, and also of course mostly my drawing, my illustration, my processes. So I really like to do that, I have to say. So today I will work on my fan art challenge that I began in the beginning of January on Instagram, and I publish every day a fan art. So today I chose the series This Is Us. I really love this series. I already chose the picture I would like to do for the fan art, so I will show to you the sketch that I will prepare right now. I also need to work on the first double page spread on the children's book I'm working on right now. So today I have a lot of things to do, more sketches parts. So it's really exciting, and I will share that to you. I can't show, of course, the work I'm doing for a professional project, but I will show to you all my processes for my personal project. And yes, enjoy, and let's go. So I just finished to do the sketch for my fan art challenge. I really like it. Now I will do a break, and after that I will work also on the sketch for the children's book. But for now it's time to do a break, and I will show to you tomorrow all the coloring process for my fan art challenge. So yes, I'm really excited for this one, because it was really challenging to do 5 characters on one drawing. It's something usually I try to avoid. So today I really wanted to challenge myself. Yes, I'm really glad of the result for now. Genau, es ist weit. So yesterday I finished the sketch for the first scene of the children's book I am illustrating right now. I'm really glad of it. I'm really excited, and now I would like to share with you because I will create the color palette of the whole book. So I would like to show to you how I process, which kind of website, for example, I'm using. So mostly I'm using different Instagram accounts, and I'm using also websites, which is cool to have different examples of color palette, but you can also use Pinterest, for example. There are a lot of color palettes. So this is a big thing, the colors. It's really challenging as an artist because you also always need to work on it, because the color theory is so huge. It's really cool to have some example of color palettes. I don't take one specific color palette, but each time I take inspiration of them, and I create my own from that, because like that I can see harmony and different things like that. So let's go, I will show that to you. So we are another day. Now I would like to show something that I did recently. I opened my shop on INPRNT.com and I received the example because I ordered them. So I wanted to show that to you because I really like the results. So this is the first. So this is like that. In fact, it's completely huge. So I just wanted to mention that it's written on the website 8x10. So me, as a French person, I expected 8x10 centimeters, which is completely not the case because I calculated it's 20x25. So it's huge. I really didn't expect that, but I'm really glad finally because I expect like a postal card or something, and not at all. So I'm really glad also about the quality of the paper and the colors. The colors are incredible when they are printed. This one, also this one, that I did recently for my fan art challenge on Instagram. So you can find this one, for example, on my shop, this one, and the paper quality is excellent. I have no words because I really didn't expect that, this quality. I have to say I'm a fan of paper in general. This one, it's just excellent. So this. Don't expect like me, I expected a little postal card because it's huge. I bought the 12x16 too. So this is the results. In fact, it's 30x40, something like that. I really like the rendering on a paper like that. It's the first time, in fact, I printed all my artwork on my digital artwork. So I was a bit impressed to see them in real like that. So this is my ruby, if you noticed in my vlog. I put the link in bio for all my artwork, so you can find all of them. I think I will add others also. So I let you discover all of them in my shop. There are a lot of other artists who are publishing their artwork on the website, and there are a lot of great artists. I can only recommend this website for every kind of artwork. I just wanted to share these positive things. I'm so glad that I opened my first shop. Who knows in the future, but I'm really glad of that.